This is calm. It doesn't understand. It can go over here, it can go down here.
So for that kind of stuff, like the calm, right? Like all these like tiny little movements sideways.
So don't bother.
Is that support or it's
no, it's nothing.
know,
It's
right?
just it's like yeah.
It's
so
neither support or resistance.
yeah. So CDS. Okay, so we can see it 1, 2 bounce here. Okay, so and at the moment it can, if it keeps going up, so it might be a company to buy. Okay, so CDS.
CDS.
So okay, so
You guys want some?
okay. What about Dell?
Dell. No, I want to buy DAL.
DL, you want to buy it?
No, I wouldn't buy it.
You wouldn't buy, yeah, because it's kind of
Because there's
at
the
resistance,
top of
it
the-
can go
yeah,
down, right? So
that's
yeah.
right.
So what about DFS?
DFS.
It's kind of grow through triangle, so from one point, but it's exactly on the same height. You see, so
That's a 50.
same height here, right? So it might be bounced back, so it wouldn't be good. Like I don't like breakthrough personally. Some people love breakthrough. They can see it's broke through this level. Okay, this level. If it broke through, so the next one is going to be somewhere here. So they might enter it. So DHI, what do you think?
It's in the middle of support and resistance. Isn't
It kind of went already.
No, it's
high,
going up,
so
yeah.
And it's 1, 2,
Wow,
3,
it's come down.
4, and it narrows down. It's like a triangle, so it might
Buy a put.
kind of. No, DHI is good company. You don't buy puts on good company. Okay, DKS collapsed. Dick's Sporting Goods.
Wow.
So you see this level, so and here. So it's still
Not
red
yet.
candle. It's still falling.
No way.
But
Yeah,
you
sure.
can watch it, okay, until it stops somewhere, because you see it always falls quickly and then rise quickly,
Yep. Yeah.
and it's kind of pretty
Yeah,
good. So it's 34.
What's
to
that
40.
gap? Is that per month? Per those
So
Oh,
this
that-
is
but is that per
October,
month, yeah?
November. So that's for example
November support,
for
but
1 month
not
fall,
very-
see.
1 month
Oh, right.
sideways, and then growth.
Yeah.
Here it's fall and then all the way up straight away.
That's huge, yeah.
Okay, so the KS is 4x4 company. It's Dick's Sporting Goods. They're shoes seller. Okay. So you can put it like watch list and watch it. If you see the turn, like it start turning, okay, you can enter position. Okay, but for example, we can have here may
Okay.
be.
So you're thinking about bounce back up
Okay.
because of November.
Okay, so something like that. Okay, the EMM. It's kind of going down, so might be on that level. Maybe to have a look, what is it? Fit.
Fitbit? Is that Fitbit?
No, it's not Fitbit. Something different. But it's high, right? So
Yeah,
this
it's too
is
high now. That's now.
not clear, kind of, right?
That's now.
So this is
This
high.
is now.
So you can see it because it's close to support.
Yeah.
It's downtrend although, but it's already twice holding this level. So it might be at least going back to 36.25. Okay, so
No.
just to have a look.
Maybe.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. It's good.
Okay, so then we look HBI, no. Hog, it's kind of, if it goes 1, 2, but then on this trend, it's kind of very high. Okay, so it might go
Maybe
really.
later.
So no, HRB,
Not yet.
kind of
Triangle.
triangle, yeah. So,
So it's really
but
like a-
still,
yeah.
you kind of maybe.
There's still a bit there to go though, isn't it?
HRB. Do I put it in the correct way? Yeah. Okay, so then it's already too high. That's key too high. Lab too high. Lee. Lee actually very interesting way. Look at this. It was previous resistance. Now it might become a support. So
We don't know.
we don't know. So we will, or maybe it goes back to the same range. Okay. So Lee, maybe to watch here. Okay.
Fifth, third. Bank.
Okay, so
Page
page down. 22 companies. Out of 22 companies, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 companies maybe. Okay.
Lane.
Lane? It's in
Support.
It's put on the up train. It's the 1, 2, 3. It's to turn down up. It's pretty high on this current train.
So just, and then as a result say yes or no?
No,
No, okay.
Why
Okay.
is a no?
it's just yes, no. I
Okay.
have no idea.
It's just a yes, no.
50%. It's like a lottery. Just guess.
It's safer to say no, right?
But it's safer to say no, isn't it?
No, it's pretty high.
Yeah, but the thing
It's
is,
at
It's
the
a
bottom
four?
at the
Yeah,
below.
but
The
it's-
3. It's you see it's the W at the below. It's already bounced back up. So it could. It's almost reached the previous resistance line.
Yeah.
It's going to come back.
You're
It
talking
looks
about
like
LN, right?
land, yeah.
land,
Yeah,
not
that's right.
not L.
That's what I'm thinking.
Not LN.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
L,
yeah,
yeah.
Now, completely agree. The thing is here, it's reached this level, okay, so it's bounced kind of at previous
A
support.
lot, yeah.
Okay, it has a lot of moved in,
Moved
like
a lot
even if
already.
it was under valid company. And the thing is, you see this red one. So if you put the trend like that, so at the moment it's very turning forward. If it holds this level, this trend line, it might go back to here, okay, and it break and goes to the same range. Now, if it breaks through, it might go to this level, okay, around $40 level, okay, so $45 level,
Yep.
and somewhere stay here. So that's where I would be entering. So because 45 will here resistance, that support.
Mm.
So maybe 45 would be kind of a place to buy for this company. But at the moment it's 47, 9, 70. Yes, so it's a bit high.
Mm.
Okay, what about this one?
Is that me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Why?
I think A, it's right on resistance, and yeah, I think it's right that the resistance, that blue line,
Right.
the not blue, not the purple, the blue one, the blue that's the straight horizontal line. I think it's kind of like at that peak, it's green and it's on the uptrend. So I think we've missed that boat for that. Like
So-
if it was a bit earlier, it was on the down up. I think it might be a good idea, but then I think it's already gone up. How do you think it goes?
So what do you think? Of
Oh, but what do you think?
Opposite.
For me, the blue, light blue that's going up, and there's the purple, right? That trend is uptrend. So
Okay.
if I look at that, it looks like it's on the support or on the resistance. But if I look at the horizontal line, it looks like it's gonna hit that resistance line.
It's
So-
already hit it.
So,
Just touch.
is it touch? So
Touch.
Yeah.
it's worth monitoring it to see if it goes above because I can go up.
Yes, correct.
Mm.
That's true. So the thing, it's at the moment it's very interesting. Well, it might bounce. It's very likely bounce back down to this blue line, and we have to see it because that's where the same level. You see, so
Yeah.
it was low here. So it might go sideways in the same way, because usually what happened, it's like if you put ball like 1 meter underwater, it jumps on the same height, and if you always put it under 1 meter, it always jumps on the same height. If you put 2 meters down, so it's going to jump higher. So that's what happened here. That was the support. They put down 2 meters and then it jumped higher. But maybe because there is no jump, it's going back to 1 meter here, so it's going to on the same level, kind of, so it goes back. That was a joint market collapse
Yep.
end of the year. So that's, it's kind of follow the market. Okay, it wasn't probably problem with the company or anything like that. So that's why I would definitely look this point and see what is going to happen. Because if it breaks through, so it might go there. So we can put a lamp maybe. Okay. So what this one?
Well,
Oh yeah,
LNC.
sorry.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, so this looks like it's bounding up. However, it hit a major, what do you call it?
resistance.
Major resistance in March, and it's bounced twice at that. So I'm thinking that's a major resistance level. So it's almost got to that resistance level as well. So I'm thinking it's most likely to go down the next part. It's already made a nice bounce up to the end. So if it breaks through the resistance, it might go even further, but
Yes or no?
I'd say no.
Yeah, because it's
no,
kind of
it's not at the
support,
moment.
strong support and resistance
Yeah.
twice.
And,
So
then,
yeah, it can
And
bounce.
it's almost at that.
and
that
it's getting
spot.
triangle as well.
And that's where we're looking for, so
Yeah.
somewhere in this level.
It's had a couple of healthy bounces, but it could easily go down.
It's got that triangle.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
especially we have to think that the market is high now as well.
Yeah,
So when the market
Yeah,
goes,
true.
like it pulls down everything. So okay, so we have to keep an eye. Okay, what about LRX?
Looking
My
for
time.
OPS.
This
That's a bit
one's
of a
hard.
strange one. So if you draw the line on, what's that one? So I'm going to, yeah.
LPX, sorry, not LRX.
So LPS. Next page. Second next one, LPS. So if you're looking at from November across, so that's gonna be at support and resistance. So it's gonna be resistant, but then if you're looking at February, it's gonna be at support, isn't it?
So
So it could be at support or a resistance
There's a
on
line
the,
down there, like,
That's
you
it,
see
no.
that line?
so which one?
Yeah.
Where is support? Where is resistance?
I mean,
Levels.
if you're
Sell prices.
comparing from November,
November is here, right?
yeah, and if you draw a line across November, so that's gonna be, it's gonna be considered,
It's quite a lot to fall, right?
yeah.
Yes or no?
Probably not yet.
Would you put $10,000 in it, of your money?
Whoa.
That's the question. Yeah, that's the
No,
question.
that's a good question.
So look,
No.
it's downtrend. It started
Yeah.
back downtrending.
Yeah.
It's closed the gap. Okay, so
Yeah.
after this jump, what if I would pay attention to this company? I don't know the company, so but definitely I will see what happened here. We can see this growth, and after that the jump. It's kind of a good sign on a uptrend because maybe some with the earnings kind of good to show. Okay, and it might go back to the levels previously if it wasn't overvalued here. At the moment we don't see it. But what you can do, we can always, at the moment, you can write it down because if this is a resistance and now it's becoming support, so it might bounce back up.
But you don't
Okay.
know yet.
You
not
don't
this
know. You
one.
have to keep an
Yeah.
eye. So maybe you skip it if you're not sure. You skip it.
Yeah.
So what about this company?
Shane, up to you.
No.
Okay, it's too high, right?
Too high, scary.
What about M?
Walter. And
I think maybe. And the reason why I think maybe is it's kind of like that horizontal support line is quite good. That we were
It's a
really
resistance,
below that,
yeah.
the resistance, and we're really closer to the support line. And then there's this big jump down. So
So
I
with-
would say yes. on
this is one of the biggest retailer, Macy's, in the United States. And a lot of retailers now on downturn, so it's like the whole area.
market,
Okay,
the
so
whole industry, isn't it?
yeah, so but because we look at parameters and it's went through parameters, it's not something bad there. Okay, so fundamentally we kind of can assume that something is happening there because this is probably earnings expectations about this year. But now the price is already
It's cheap, no?
kind of adjusted to that expectation. Okay, so it is at lowest point, but it's still downtrend. I would put maybe just to analyze the company itself. Okay,
Yeah, because I think looking at just the graph, I would say yes. I would say yes, but then like knowing it's Macy, I would say maybe.
okay, so
Like
I put as a yes to have a look at this. Okay, so MCK.
Yeah.
It looks, for me, I would say yes because it looks like it's closer to the support, so it's quite high even looking, but I might wait for it to go down and then up again.
So yeah,
Because it has a big drop and then bounce back, so this is kind of like really going somewhere else.
okay, correct. Yeah, so that's what I would do. Like it can bounce from this level, so that's where, but it's still here about $10 to go. I think it's 120. No, it's 121. So now it's 116. So it's $5 to go. So you can go until
Ooh,
this.
that's a great.
I think
Okay,
that's
so
the
or
one.
you can, if the market will bounce back, so you can actually buy it a bit lower, and okay, so but yes, technically it's perfect company,
Yeah.
fundamentally also good company.
So good.
So MCK, yes, kind of,
How
okay.
much this one?
That's great. Look at that. We've got quite a good number.
Okay,
We're just aiming
so
to have.
McDonald's,
Is that NDC's McDonald's?
Oh,
I think it's. Oh no, sorry, it's not. And McDonald's is different. So what do you think?
What do you think,
Oh, sorry. Just trying to
This is tricky. I don't know what this is. I would say.
Okay,
I don't know from you. Yeah. It's not obvious.
it's trying, but it's coming down each time. It's coming down to a like an arrow down, whatever you call it, which means it's ready for a breakout. Where's its supports? Yes, support's about what, 28. I'm inclined to say look for it, keep looking at it, because it could go either way, because it's coming down in a narrow, so it's ready for a breakout. So which way is it? You see how these come down and those go up? It's ready for it, and that's a point where it's going to either go hugely up or hugely down. Hugely being
So what Bob was saying is there is like a triangle there.
Yeah, I can see
Yeah,
it.
it's
Yes.
a triangle.
So you see, this is highs there lower,
Yeah.
lower, and here the low also lower. So if you put this trend line here, and then you put another trend line here, so it might continue on low.
Yeah, sorry, I was
He's looking at
further
like
down.
this.
I was looking at
But
the end
then,
of January.
if you go from here,
Yeah.
this is, so that's why it's
That's
water
the
separate
triangle that I was
triangle.
looking at.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay,
He's
so
looking at this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
then you can
Yeah.
add these levels as well.
If you
So
look at that, yeah, you think it'd go down?
it might be. So at the
Yeah.
moment it's unclear, so I would say no, like personally. I wouldn't bother play around and think,
Somebody else to look
meditate,
at.
so just
That
don't
one's
bother.
dangerous.
Okay, what about this
But I
one?
think basically we have to
Yeah.
remember that all this company, what we're trying to do is, if it's too long to wait, just don't bother looking at it, because we have so many
Yeah.
to look at.
Yeah.
So you want to look at
Yeah.
something most likely announced.
Yes,
or-
In reality, it should take you, like, in a while, it will take you a few seconds to go through all this list. Because, like, remember we've done it, like you and Shane, like, we've done it like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Because if you just say yes or no, which one is it?
No.
No, which one is that?
Yes. Maybe.
Maybe, yes, because it's kind of close to support, right? So you just write it down. So, MGA.
Because we still have to do analysis on this.
Yes. So that's why maybe, okay, so.
It doesn't mean you're going to
So next one,
No, it's keep it two.
That's done a huge bounce already.
tag.
Yeah, tag. Oh, sorry.
Maybe, yes, because it's low and it might bounce at least here, right? So we need to have a look how much is here. We need to know why it fell here. Okay, so this is the reason. Okay, peg, maybe. At the moment we just, because there is no,
Can you maybe everything then?
maybe yes, kind of. All right, so this one,
No.
PFG, no, this one.
No.
Look, PHN, so it's holding this level, you see?
Sideways.
From the beginning of the year, sideways trend.
Yeah.
So it may be kind of, you can play around with these levels.
Just make money from there, you think?
Yeah, kind of set and pull. So if,
But then it's too risky, isn't it? Because like, look at how far it kind of. You know what I mean? Like
so it's what the
here, it's like
yeah.
a little bit like this. We could make money from here to here, but then like there's a big chance that it could go back down here, would it?
Residential construction. So that's why you have to have a look fundamentals of those companies as well. But technically, it might worth trading here. If you, for example, buy it and put stop loss lower, if it breaks through, so okay, you have a 1% loss, whatever. But if it makes it, make 4 or 5% profit. So let's pitch and put it here. This one. Okay. All right. What about this one? Peak of home. Yeah. So
Ah,
okay.
there he is. put maybe this one?
Yeah, but you said put everywhere maybe, so I put maybe.
This one, no.
No,
Too high.
this one.
This one, no.
No, okay, so this one,
No.
this one.
No.
That's all I'm saying. All the lines are full.
Hmm?
Probably a lot.
You guys say it now about what? No.
Is it
It'll be
next?
funnier.
So what?
Maybe is it next?
Maybe.
No.
I wouldn't
No,
go with
no,
now. It's
you
too high. Also too high.
How about this one?
No.
Auto industry.
No.
Not this one.
TOL maybe?
TOL, why?
If it goes here, I would buy it on this level.
High.
About
No. $33. But it might go up so as well because fundamentally it's kind of good company.
Maybe.
Okay, so Winnebago I would wait also. Okay, so we have quite a lot of companies to choose from, so that's why we can be picky, you know, so we can say, oh, fuck, I don't like it, sorry, but that's it. Okay, now that's what we identify, we have it here.
Boom. Got it.
Okay, so what we can do exactly the same
$100
thing.
support.
So,
You do it.
copy,
Frankie.
okay,
I love
here, and we'll go back to this one.
So we have to go back to this and delete the rest?
Yeah.
Oh, right,
So
okay.
then you can filter
Delete,
and
control
move on,
V,
yeah.
and then put it here. So now we have only those companies here.
How many?
Hang on.
15.
How many? ADS
Hang on a sec, and then now.
and then
Um,
So 15 companies. Okay.